Getting rid of stretch mark can be so difficult. In fact, it is a never-ending story, guys. I hate to be the one to tell you this, but there is no sure way to erase stretch mark, okay? But you really do not need to lose hope, because there are other ways you can make your stretch mark invisible, and that is what I'm about to share with you today. How to make your stretch mark invisible. So guys, keep watching. Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It is the first time here. Hello, my name is Irene and you're most definitely welcome. So today guys, we are talking stretch mark. I know the feeling, okay, when you have stretch mark on your skin and you want that thing to be gone as soon as possible, and you've done everything but it's not just working, okay? So guys, the bad news, I hate to tell you this, but the bad news is that there is no sure way to erase stretch mark. However, the good news is that there are ways you can make them invisible, okay? And that is why I am here to you know. So guys, to make your stretch mark invisible, yeah, all you have to get is shea butter. Here in Nigeria we call shea butter only. Get a shea butter, okay? I'm going to put it somewhere here so that you can see. Get a shea butter, a lime, and olive oil, okay? So all you have to do is to mix the ingredients together. Start applying it on the area you have stretch mark, the area in your body you have stretch mark. Start applying it, and you have to be consistent with it. That is it. Because when I had my baby, I did a lot, okay? I did a lot to get rid of the stretch mark on my tummy, but it didn't just work. I bought some expensive product and it was shit. It was shit, guys. So guys, I decided to be using, I wasn't using lime at that time. I was just using shea butter and olive oil. It was working, but it was kind of slow. So somebody advised that I use lime or lemon, which I did. I couldn't get lemon, so I used lime. So if you have lemon where you are, you can use lemon instead of lime. So I used lime and it worked just fine. It didn't clear off my stretch mark, it didn't get rid of my stretch mark, but it actually made my stretch mark invisible, okay? The stretch mark is there, but it's not showing, like, you know, I have stretch mark here, right here, but you can barely see it, okay? I have stretch mark on my tongue, but you can barely see it. It's not going to be like, this girl have stretch mark, okay? It's just going to be invisible. And you know, don't listen to people that will tell you do this and do that, get rid of stretch mark in 2 days, in 3 days, or in 1 week. There is no way to get rid of stretch mark. Is so difficult, very difficult. And some stretch marks are hereditary. Honestly, you can Google it, okay? So that's it, guys. Don't stop going about looking for words to get rid of stretch mark. Just go for lime and shea butter with olive oil, and that is it. Your stretch mark is going to be invisible, okay? Then you're good to go. I mean that is it basically. Okay, just do that consistently. And I did a research that if you do that consistently for like 2-3 years, it might get rid of the stretch mark. Okay guys, so come to the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, and comment down below. I love to read your comment. Tell me what you think about stretch mark. Did you use anything that finally erased your stretch mark? I will love to know. Maybe I don't know it all after all. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. Over. Bye.